House 4 has the opposite problem, a huge Master Ensuite.
Look at the size of it. Monster bathroom.
Huge bathroom.
Is that good? It's quite a large space that we've got, but anyway, our Master Ensuite has got a few beautiful features. A curved wall, which we're going to do in a mosaic Kit Kat tile. Fluted glass for our shower screens.
Yeah.
Arched mirrors.
Nice big black stone bath. Yeah, and also a big circle skylight. That's what we're going to deliver this week.
Boom.
Have a look at that curve, would ya? Come in, woman. Yeah, I was rubbing my hands together because we were finally able to do our dream curved wall, and which I'm looking really forward to doing. Look at the curve, Jazz.
Ooh.
Unreal, mate.
She's cool. That look nice, tile. Yeah, that we've come on this show hoping to do something different and not just do the same old, And obviously we've had the 1910 brief, which has been quite tricky, but there's a point where you have to do what you want to do.
It's a big bathroom.
It's huge, man.
Yep.
Maybe a bit too big.
It's going to be fun to tile.
Yeah, wow.